Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the discount code not working on Gumroad in 2026. And if your Gumroad discount code isn't working, it's going to be frustration, especially when customers are ready to buy. A broken coupon can cost you sales, damage trust, and create unnecessary support messages. So in this step-to-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix a discount code that does not work on Gumroad, whether it's expired, limited, restricted, or simply misconfigured. So we'll go through every possible reasons and how to solve it fast. So let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Gumroad account. You're just going to go to your web browser and type in Gumroad. Then you're going to access the website. When you access the website, you're going to make sure you log in with your account. And after that, you're going to go to products. Click on the products section in the left sidebar. And after that, you're going to click on the products connected to discount. As you can see, I don't have any products yet, but you're going to click on the products connected to the discount. Then you're going to open the discount section. You can see in this picture. After that, you're going to make sure the code is toggled on, it hasn't been achieved or archived or deleted. If it's off, simply reactivate it. Then you're going to check the expiration date. Every common reason discount codes fail is expiration date. So inside the discount settings, you're going to look for the expiration date field, and if the date has passed, the code will not work. So always double check time zones if your code expires at midnight. You can check the usage limit. Then you can verify the product restriction also. And then you can check also the minimum price settings. The minimum purchase amount or the discount reduces price below Gumroad's allowed minimum, the code may fail. And make sure the code is entered correctly. And that's it. That's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have furthermore questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.